Okay, so right now I'm gonna actually install Windows 10 on the shop PC. But let's first plug in the system and see what happens, if anything happens. Okay, the light turns blue. Should just turn on, but you know. It was like just working yesterday. Because I booted it up real quick. One moment. Okay, now I'm just gonna click it on instead of just plug it in. These work. Oh, green. Okay, cool. Yeah, I remember this happened yesterday, so yeah. What? Let me fool around with this real quick. I'm just gonna put a flash drive in and see, because this BIOS is kind of confusing. Oh wait. Oh. Okay, here we go. Can I switch it? I'm just gonna put the flash drive in, I guess. I don't know. It's blue and black. I like to color code my things. So this is Windows 10. The purple is Ubuntu. So I guess we're just gonna hopefully it'll boot from the thing. Okay, so now I'm here. I'm gonna go for the USB. I'm hoping this is gonna be nice and simple. Yep, perfect. As long as this isn't the original install on the SSD, which is in here. Probably could show it, but whatever. Well, it was just that easy, I guess. I clicked no for something about clean installation, so I clicked no to make it a clean installation, so yeah. So let's just do this. Install now. I've never done one of these. Like, I've done an upgrade from 7 to 10, but that's it. And I was the little backdoor thing with the accessibility thing. Because I missed the deadline. Like a whole 6 months, I think. Just about. Okay, I don't have a product key because this is going to be a trial version or whatever. Let's do Pro. Because, you know, it's better. I accept. I actually wanted to install Vista, but there's a COA on the side. I think I'll install that on the XPS 400. I think I called it a Dimension a video before, but it's an XPS 400. It's a dimension something. Like there's 2 different names, but it says XPS 400. Well, anyways, what do I do? Custom install. Let's do this one. Okay. Wait, what? I don't know. I'm so confused. What driver? Oh, there's nothing on this computer, so you know. I don't know. Where are they? I don't know. I don't have a driver. Oh, whoa. That's better. I need to put the Ethernet cable in. That might help. Let's see. What if I X out? Yes. Install now.